Hey everyone, welcome to NAR RPR. I'm going to show you how to use the AI part of this so that you can be the market expert in your area. So I'm just going to share my screen here a minute. There we go. And I'm going to open up RPR. So I'm just going to type in Richmond, Indiana and hit search. I'm going to find a property, open it up. So if you're looking for a certain property or one that you have listed, you could just put that one in. Then once you get the address that you're looking for, which is right here, you just go to Market Trends and it shows what the market is like right now. But this is where I wanted to share. To the right, you have the create script. Love, love, love this. Okay, you can decide if you want to create a video script, social campaign, analyze metrics. Okay. You choose your tool, whether you want to write it for professional, engaging, conversational, or friendly and casual. And then you choose your audience. Are you looking to work with buyers, sellers, okay, investors, downsizing sellers, whatever you want on here. So I'm just going to go to engaging. And let's say that we're going to do a social script for our buyers and sellers in the area. So it comes up, attention Richmond, buyers and sellers. Did you know that there is currently 2.51 months supply of inventory in our market? That is a 23.04% increase over the last 12 months. So now is a great time to buy or sell your home. Contact me, Danielle Klein, Remax at the Crossing, to learn more. Okay, so this here kind of gives you all of it. You can copy the text, you can export it to Word, to a PDF, Google Docs. You can export to a text file, and you could also send by email. So you can send this to yourself that way. If you want to do a video script from that, that's going to send it to me. Has been sent to our ChatGPT video script has been sent to our email. And then one thing I wanted to show you, you could friendly and casual kind of comes up with a little bit different effect on it. But what's great with this is that it already has the emojis added in. And what we learned out at Summit this year was to make sure that you have those different emojis in there because it's eye-catching. So it has the house, it has the stars and things like that in it. So I hope that that helped. And that is a quick way to get into learning how to use the creative script with AI to be able to talk about the market trends. So again, I'm just going to show this once more and let's just put it in. So I'm just going to type in Indianapolis and tell me that there's too many to show. Okay, so I'm just going to click on one. So wherever this one is currently at, we're going to go to market trends. And you can just say that this area, you can do it by neighborhood. You can put the neighborhood search up in here and talk about that. So I create the script for a professional. Let's try analyze metrics. Real estate market is currently experiencing a tight inventory with the months of supply, with inventory at 2.22. This low inventory level indicates a high demand for homes in the market. The 12-month change of inventory has decreased by 6.33%, further highlighting the competitive nature of the market. So depending on what you guys want to sound like, what it more fits your style is what you would pick here. Friendly and casual is really friendly and casual. And if we do the same type of analysis metrics here, you're going to see how I changed it up. Same numbers, but hey there, buyer and sellers. Let's dive into some real estate metrics that can give you a better understanding of the current market trends. First up, all right, so it really depends on what your personality is like, of which type of tone you're going to use. I personally like to use the one that's engaging or conversational. So I hope that this helps and good luck, and I'll be posting some more.